want to fall. Get it, just get it.
I'll try to do this one.
Come on, honey, show them. Monkey that. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Go ahead, Jaden. Oh, Lord. Got this. Go ahead. Go stand up.
Hold on to that one.
Can I do it?
Put him up there, honey. Look, Jaden gonna do it.
Grab.
Hold on. Go, Jaden. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Jaden in the tree. Yay.
Okay, so how do I get that?
I don't know. You're gonna have to stay up there.
Let the hand slide as you're moving too much foot and not moving your hand.
You got it, boy. You got it.
Look, it's like a move. It's a grab. You're pulling up yourself with your body. I can't pull up and then.
Well, that's you, not me.
Come on, Josiah. You got it. Move, Casey.
Watch out, Casey.
Casey, move.
Grab as high as you can.
Come on, Jess. You got this. Come on.
That's good.
You got it. You almost did it. Come on.
So I'll start.
Your right hand. Grab high with your right hand.
Grab higher.
Right up here?
Yep.
Pull your body up. You didn't go higher. Yet. Come on.
I go by his foot.
There you go. 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 Yes. Josiah, climb a tree.
Look, watch out, I just jumped off.
Now you can hurt your leg. First of all, you gotta jump and bend, but it's just too far of a jump.
Why you jumping out so quick? You're scared?
You have to
Stay up there and look at the view, boy. Enjoy it.
Here, up here.
I can see this and I can see his going.
It's better to turn back around the same way you come down and just walk your way down.
Or jump down. Why are we doing all this? This is unnecessary, Karen, but... Hi, Miss Casey.
Where did that from?
Those are prevent fence damage.
Yeah, oh yeah. Mm-hmm. All these unnecessary work.
Not necessary.
Well, it's a very beautiful day.
Why are all of these connected to logs?
Come on, we got to pull them so we can burn them. This is a lot of work. Why is this in the earth? Why is it in the ground? What happened here? Clean up, clean up. Start pulling. Get peace, Casey. Here. Okay, go ahead with that. Okay, strong man. Pull it.
Yeah, work them. Land labor.
This is a lot of work.
You have to cover the stick.
Mhm.
And then go ahead. Cause last time I did that, touched it, and I was like, that, it really.
That's it. Let the neck of it do most of the work. Don't be scared of it. You'll control it. It's not gonna bite. Make sure it's straight now. You don't want to put it sideways. Like this? Make sure your hand's straight with it. I mean, you're fine, but don't let it be on the side like this. Straight. Wait. Let's shut this off. Keep going. It'll open up. Okay, keep going real quick.
Anybody see Josiah? Josiah, where are you?
Oh, no.